back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing something for my kitchen and I'm so excited. I've opened the bigger box and I'm going to open the other one now. Let's see. Yeah, I just bought these chafing dishes for I just bought this for my kitchen, serving my family and for my guests. When I have guests and parties in my house, I said let's unbox it together. And I've been looking forward to receive this item because I have a party to plan for my family and friends very soon. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow. This looks so beautiful. It's a set of 4. And the color is white. The color is white. I like the color. The color is unique. It's not the regular silver or the gold one that is so popular everywhere. But this one is unique. That's why I picked this color. Oh, nice. See? These are all the accessories. I'm going to screw these and set them up, and when I make the food I'm going to show you how they look. Just keep on watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so and comment down below if you like this color. I just love the color because they are unique. And they are not the regular metal. This is like the base. This is where the food is going to be. No. Yeah, this is where this food is going to be. The other one will be where water is going to hot water and follow me as I arrange everything. I'm going to carry along when I need to do all the scrolling, read the instruction on the manual, and it came with different screws, tiny. I'm going to carry along when I'm done with the setup and display so that you can see. But you can see the color, they look so beautiful, so unique, not the common type, and it even fits my kitchen style. That's why I picked this. Follow me. See you soon when I finish setting it up.